Hey, guys. Hey, guys.
Hello.
Welcome to our channel. We didn't go to church. I'm sorry, guys, but we did listen to the preacher on the radio, and then we just read the Bible and pray.
Yep, that's what we did today. Because we got up a little bit late, and we were very, very surprised that.
No, don't tell them, guys. Today is some Dutch was no where we was at. So look, what is it?
What?
The water, like coming up, like the
It's
rain.
flooded, like
flooded.
Yeah, when we came to the park today, we had no idea that the park was flooded. So basically what we're gonna do is walk around the park and show you. Alright guys, so you can see, look at the park. It's flooded. Huh? Do what?
This?
We're about to get some bird food. $0.25 a quarter. Oh, you got stuff all over. Yeah, that's it. You close your thing up so you be able to carry it.
Oh, what food in there?
It don't work.
How about the other one?
They might have stopped it because it flooded. Yeah, they not working. Probably because it flooded. They don't want folk faint. I can't even get it out. Oh no. Oh, there it go. You got it?
Yes, take it out.
All right, Maria has some duck food in her hand.
It looks like dog food.
Yeah, it really does.
It looks like Leo.
So now we've got to find some ducks because, like I said, the park is completely flooded. Well, let's go toward the road. See, guys, there's some more flood. It's almost to the road.
You scared of flood? Where the houses is?
Yeah. All right, guys, and this is another part of the park. How it looks. Maria's leaving me with her duck food in her hand. We're trying to look for some ducks to give some food to. But as you can see, there are no ducks right up in here. They're usually all walking around, but I guess since it's flooded out, we can't seem to find any. And like right over there where those trees are, it usually is like,
Right there.
yeah, there's something right there. Like usually over there, it's usually a dirt trail. Is looking on a mission to find some ducks to give them some food. They've got a little puddle over there. Huh? No, it's duck food. We gotta find the. Well, yeah, you could, but it's gonna fly away. There's some more flooded area. Don't walk in that dirt, Marie. Sorry. It's a pigeon. A pigeon. Pigeons. The ducks are not nowhere to be found. Maria's trying to give bird food. duck food to a pigeon. He's gonna fly away, watch. He's going to fly away. He's running after Maria. Look at his head bobbing back and forth. I'm surprised he flew away.
You don't know how to fly.
Yes, he do.
No, you don't.
I'm surprised. That bird ain't flew. Don't hit it, Maria. Come on, let's find some ducks. He ain't gonna eat it. It's not gonna eat it. Maria's playing with the bird. Is he gonna eat it? See if he eat it. Oh, yes, it did. It did eat it. I didn't know they eat duck food.
You like it? I know you scared of him.
Now Maria wants a bird.
I don't want no big bird. I want a rabbit.
A rabbit. Well, let's find some ducks. You don't want to give him. Yeah, you're feeding him. He's like, that's where the food is. Yep, he's following us. He said that's where the food is. See, the park is completely flooded. Because we used to be able to walk right up in there.
I like that.
We used to be able to walk over there, but now it's completely flooded. Maria has fallen in love with a bird. She wants to give him all of the duck food that was supposed to be for the ducks. Since I guess we can't find any ducks, that bird might get all the duck food. I guess he's full now, Maria.
I guess so. Okay, see you later.
Maybe not.
That's enough.
Okay. Oh, he found it. Alright, got the rope, Rhea. Way up here, the water was. What? That white duck? Oh, yeah.
It got a long neck.
I forget what they call them. It's beautiful. Maria's still stuck on that bird.
I'm not feeding.
You must finna walk through all of that water. You're not finna be able to get to that duck. Nope. It's gonna dissolve in the water. Wow, this part got completely flooded. You can't even see the ground. Maria, get from close to that. There's a duck. Oh, that's not. Or is that one of them other things? I forget. Maria, get from close to that. You like you finna go in the water. I forget the name of them things. It is. It's shut up. Hold on, Rhea. Let's look at it. It's not even moving. I forget what they call them things.
Is this?
It's not a.
It's not even moving.
Yeah, it looks like a decoration. Look at all the turtles. Over there, it's a whole bunch of turtles on a log.
Oh, I love turtles.
I don't know if y'all can see. It's like one. It's a baby turtle. One. You can't go. Don't go. Don't fall in the water.
Right there was moving.
It might be a snake. You better get back. One, two,
moving.
six. It's like 7 turtles over there.
I love turtles. I wish I had colors.
Oh, there's all the ducks. They're in the water. It looks like a swamp. There's the turtles again. There's a good shot. There's some ducks over here. They've got a little pond.
Man, it's like the lake flooded.
Oh yeah, big time.
Yeah.
Look at that duck upside down in the water. He getting closer. Uh-oh. He's eating the food. He's eating the food. Here comes the other one.
Like he's talking. Like he wanted to. Here you go.
That's all of mine. I don't have any more food. It's all gone. They're talking now. They're like, yeah. Got me some food. I wonder what they're searching for. Fish. You got to put it down, Maria.
That's a fish duck. Oops.
Uh-oh, you hit it with the food. That duck said, what?
I'm sorry.
That duck said, what? So I guess this is a little makeshift pond that the flood did.
Both of them.
You did? It bounced out the other. You want to walk down a little bit further? Maria, come on this side. Come on. There's some more ducks, so they're all in this area. They've migrated to this area. Usually, this part is dry. Come on. Wow, Maria, we've walked a long way. Okay, the bridge, there's a bridge over there, and it's also buried underneath the water. Okay, there's the bridge. It is completely buried underneath the water. What is that noise? There's a noise coming from over there. I don't know what that is. And guys, our car is all the way across over it where the trees are. We walked that far. We walked the whole park. We got footage of the whole park. All right, let's go down this way, Rhea.
We're gonna play tag over here.
Look at that table. It's almost buried underneath the water. The benches are buried. It's like sand.
Oh, it is.
So, all right, guys. So this was our little Sunday walk at the park. Rhea, you got anything you want to say?
Yeah. Subscribe to our channel and click this bell down here and put a big thumbs up and hit this notification.